Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix FPS drops in Fortnite on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications right here. Here on the right you're gonna find your game library. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications on the device. If you go here to the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and right here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to fix FPS drops in Fortnite on the PlayStation 5, first of all, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you click on settings, go ahead and search for screen and video. Once you're here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find three sections: video output, screen, and lastly BD and DVD. Go ahead and click on video output, and then here you're gonna find video output information, resolution and frequency, and right here you're gonna find color. Go to resolution and frequency, and then right here, as you can see guys, in resolution, click on it, and then right here you're gonna find all of the available resolutions. Make sure you choose the highest resolution, or you can just set it on automatic and it will give you always the highest possible resolution. Here you can test 1440p output. Right here you're gonna find VRR, and here you're gonna find 120 Hz output. Make sure you click on this option, and then if it's off, set it on automatic. This will enable 120 Hz video output for games that support 120 Hz frame rate. So once you finish, just go back and all of your changes will be saved. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.